welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi and welcome, it's Amanda here. I wanted to show you, this is my bird of paradise, I think it's called. I will be putting the official name in the title. I had, it wasn't a cutting, it was just one, literally one of these, and it's just spread. It can be invasive, so wherever you've got it growing, you have to decide whether you want to keep it, you know, contained in a particular area. And it just seems to send kind of little shoots. Oh my gosh, this was a little shoot a few days ago. Okay, so see the one at the back there, see, it just sends those. There's a few growing, and luckily, great, it's growing that way. I moved one and I put it back here because I don't want them coming this way. This is a path that I want to keep. So it produces these pretty flowers. It's amazing, isn't it? So pretty. And a lot of people use it in terms of, you know, cut flowers, and they're quite expensive if you were to go and buy them in the supermarket. So it's really nice to be able to have my own that I can cut and put in the house. Yeah, growing really nicely here. There are different varieties. You get a red version, but again, for me, it's nice because it adds a different splash of color. This kind of yellow orange color, which complements the yellow of the Mexican sunflower. So we're going to be getting some more colors going on here in the garden. So thanks for joining me today. I hope to see you tomorrow. Leave a comment, please do subscribe, and take care for now.